Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you're going to watch me do a wash and blow dry plus a deep condition in my hair. This is the product that we will be using, you guys. I found this product on TikTok. I don't know if anybody else has seen it, but I purchased it either on Ulta or Sephora. I'll definitely link it below. But we're going to go ahead and don't despair. Let's go ahead and repair our hair for 2022. We're changing up a lot of things, so how about also starting with our hair as well, from any heat damage that I have put in my hair from using a lot of flat irons and blow drying. So right here, right before I get into the shower, I took my hair down. Just wanted to show you guys like any buildup or anything that I have in my hair, which is not much. I don't put that much product in there, but it was time for a wash and blow dry. So your girl washed and conditioned her hair with the products that came in that box. It's actually supposed to be just a mask, but they gave me, they'll give you shampoo and conditioner as a bonus. So that's what you see. Now, when I go in with the product, I like to add a lot of product to my edges when I'm doing a deep conditioning, and then I like to massage it into my roots, and then I take it all the way to the end. I am very generous when it comes to my edges and when it comes to the ends of my hair. For whatever reason, I feel like I place a lot of heat. Well, I know I place a lot of heat on the ends of my hair, and then the products that I put on my edges, I just want to preserve the edges. It's just my motto. So you're going to see me placing this generously through my hair and my ends. So I don't know about you ladies, but when I detangle my hair, when I'm putting in a conditioner, a deep conditioner, or a mask, I like to use my fingers to rub my fingers through my hair to detangle. I don't always use a comb or a detangling brush at this point. I normally just go ahead and use my fingers. You know, your fingers are also can be used as a tool, ladies. So don't stress, just use the packet. So you ladies know what's going on here. I'm sitting under my hair dryer. I'm just letting my hair just get that deep conditioner all up in there. Let it do its magic, and just resting, kicking back, talking to hubby, watching a good old movie. I don't know about you guys, but one of my favorite movies is Best Man 2. Not only is it funny, it's entertaining, it's deep, but it's also sad. But baby boy, I love this movie. So yeah, we're doing that while we're getting our hair together. So in these next few clips, I'm just going to let you guys watch, but just to tell you real quick what I'm doing, I'm going to be parting my hair in sections so that I can blow dry it easier. Before blow drying my hair, I'm definitely going to spray my hair down with some heat protectant. The heat protectant that I'm using in this video is by Mielle. I love Mielle products, so I definitely will be using her heat protectant. I always use heat protectant when I'm blow drying or flat ironing my hair to protect my hair from any further or more damage that it can do to my hair. So here is the Mielle protecting spray that I use for my hair. So that's what we'll be doing these next clips. I just will be spraying my hair down. I put a lot at the roots and at the ends because that's where I feel like I place a lot of heat. You will see later on in the video. So I hope you're enjoying so far. Keep watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video, to my channel. Listen, 2022, your girl has declared and decreed that I am going to go forward, and what God has ordained for me to do, I'm not going to stop, because this is something I always have loved. So if you are enjoying my content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below. Listen, making videos is not easy, okay? It is not easy for us, okay? So if you are enjoying this, definitely let me know. Definitely let me know what else you're interested in seeing, and I'll definitely see if there's something I can go ahead and bring to the table. So yeah, if you're still here, hit the subscribe button. All jokes aside, this is honestly me, like 100% genuine. When I'm doing my hair, I don't know if you guys, well, I didn't tell you guys, but I had my gospel worship music playing. And I just had to take a moment to just worship God and just thank God for the things that He has done, that has been so tremendous in my life, you guys. Like, I don't think anybody would ever understand, and how grateful I am to that man above for everything that He is doing for me and has done for me and will continue to do for me. So I don't care what I'm doing, washing my hair, washing dishes, driving. When I feel in my spirit, I'm going to give God the praises that He deserves. And I do encourage that you all do the same. It doesn't matter where you are, just give Him a little praise, because He deserves it. of the video. My hair has been washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, blow dried, and I can honestly tell you guys this product is amazing so far. My hair is super shiny, it is super bouncy, it's so soft. Can we start with the softness? Look at that bounce. Girl, get it with that bounce. Yes, so I do recommend that you try this product, you guys. The deep conditioner is to die for. Like, I really, really, really like it. I just cannot stop rubbing my fingers through my hair. So once again, I do thank you guys for staying to the end. The ones that made it to the end, you are the true champs. Thanks for staying. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. And also definitely thanks for subscribing. I love it if you also commented. I'll definitely go in the comment section and speak back with you guys and like your comments. Once again, I thank you guys. I appreciate you truly from the bottom of my heart. But the girl's tired now, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down. Bye. Deuces.